Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Scotch from Scotch Reviews. I have a little bit of a different review today. It's more kind of like a breaking news. I've been in the process of buying a Jeep Wrangler, and I was going to do a whole video on this and the buying process and everything like that. I still hope to do that, but I've got a big wrinkle in the system. Today, August 11th, I went in at 9 a.m. to basically sign the paperwork to build out a Jeep Willys to buy. And when he tried to do that, he could only select manual, not automatic. So he thought it was a glitch in the system, went and talked to the manager. They weren't sure what was going on, but they couldn't do it right then. So I left. But hopefully it was going to be a small glitch in the system for a little while and then see what's going on. But I'm hearing information right now, today's still the 11th, that Jeep nationwide has shut down production, hopefully temporarily, of the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine automatics. You can get it in the Rubicon or the Rubicon X, which that might be just the V6, because those are the only ones you can actually get the V6 in. The rest are all the 2 liters. So right now the 2 liters automatic throughout the country has stopped taking orders on 2 liters. Now the speculation begins of why. Why would Jeep do this? Do they want to push the 4xEs more? Are they getting so many orders for these Jeeps and they're overwhelmed, they need to stop for a little bit because they have more people requesting gas than 4xE, and maybe most of their production lines are set up for 4xE and nobody wants the 4xE anymore. Everybody wants gas. Maybe that's, I don't know. I live in the Maryland area, and I know the dealers over here are being pushed just EVs. But I think it's something to do with Maryland and different laws and what they're trying to do for the environment stuff. But tried to buy a Jeep today. It did not work out. I was a couple hours late. I don't know if they canceled anybody else's order. So if you ordered a Jeep just recently in the past week or so, I would check and see if your order's still good. I don't know how that works. Let me know down in the comments below. If you're a dealer or you're a manager somewhere and you know a little bit more about what's going on, leave it in the comments below. Of why his Jeep has decided to do this. Pretty disappointing, but hopefully it gets fixed and we can get an order done soon. Right now the information I got was in Coons and Tyson's Corner in Virginia. So in the DC area is where I went. So they're a big volume dealer, so I went out there to try to get a Jeep deal done. But alright, we'll wait and see. Thanks for watching. Still filming on the ZV1. I got that video coming out soon. I promise I'm doing that video. I actually got half of it done.